Next section, measurement of emotions. Researchers often use autonomic responses to measure emotion. One frequently used autonomic response, whether emotions can be scientifically measured or not, is still a controversial issue today. However, researchers have adopted the use of self-report or questionnaires as well as physiological tests in order to measure, though not exactly, the affective phenomenon of emotions, usually through a person's feelings. The subjective aspect of emotions. Measuring emotions by 1. Galvanic skin response. 2. Polygraph test. 3. Psychometric assessment. Going on. GSR, galvanic skin response, also known as electrodermal response, EDR. Psych-galvanic response, PGR, a method of measuring the electrical resistance of the skin. The galvanic skin response is an increase in the skin's rate of electrical conductivity, which occurs when subjects sweat during emotional states. Researchers also use indicators such as blood pressure, muscle tension, heart rate, and respiration rate to measure emotion. Also known as electrodermal response, psychogalvanic reflex, PGR, a method of measuring the electrical. Look at this picture, measuring emotion by psychogalvanic reflex. Second, polygraph test, lie detection, also referred polygraph test. Use questioning techniques also with technology that record physiological functions to ascertain truth and falsehood in response by measuring emotions of the person. Look at this picture, lie detection, polygraphy test, measures and records several physiological indices such as blood pressure, pulse, respiration, and skin conductivity, while the subject is asked and answers a series of questions. Three, psychometric assessment of emotions. Psychometric emotions test are a standard and scientific method used to measure individuals' emotions and behavioral style. It is important to judge the emotions. This can be done through an experiment in which we try to judge the emotions by using A. Emotional intelligence test. B. Emotional coercion test. Detail going on. Emotional intelligence test. It is a test to measure capacity of individuals to recognize their own and other people's emotions, different between different feelings. B. Emotional coercion test. It is a test has been measured emotional equivalent of an IQ or the individual's skills level at reading, understanding and empathizing with the emotions of others. Uses: recruiting, selecting the right person for the role, breeding a culture of successes, improving mental durability, developing self-insight and personal responsibility, assessing and maximizing a term's potential, understanding organizational capability. Branches of emotional intelligence test. Perceiving emotions, the ability to perceive emotions in oneself. Facilitating thought, the ability to generate, use and feel emotion. Understanding emotions, the ability to understand emotional information. Managing emotions, the ability to be open to feeling and to modulate them in oneself. The emotional quotient inventory. Concern following: self-perception, including self-regard, self-actualization, emotional self-awareness, interpersonal, relationship, including empathy, social responsibility, decision making, problem solving, reality testing, impulse control, self-expression, emotional expression, assertiveness, independence, stress management, flexibility, stress tolerance, optimism. Thank you. Have a good day.